I have an Indesit error message showing F02. Does this mean that I need to replace the machine, or can it be fixed at a price that makes sense?
How old is the appliance? Have you gotten error messages before?
About 3 to 4 years old. No, this is the first time.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
No, haven't got a clue.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now and will post back with your reply momentarily. F02 is a motor-related fault. To be honest, a lot of the time it's just worn carbon brushes in the motor, and these can be replaced easy and quite cheap. If doing yourself, you need to remove the back panel of the washer and from there remove the motor at the bottom. From there you will see the carbon brushes either side. Remove them and see if worn. If they are only a few long, then they need to be replaced. The parts themselves are about £10 to $15 roughly, and you can get them online or on eBay. But if you would need to get an engineer, and then you are looking at roughly about the £60 mark all in. But if the brushes are fine, then the fault will be either the motor of the control board. Now for this, the cheapest option is to get Indesit in on their fixed price repair. This is £110, so for that price they will call out and replace whatever parts it needs. So if you are happy to spend £110 on it, then give Indesit a bell and they will fix it, and that's all you would pay. But check the carbon brushes first if you can, see what you find. If you need any more info, just get back to me. Hi, I see the question is still open. Do you still need help on this? If so, then just get back to me. If not, then if you could remember to rate the answer, that would be great. Many thanks.
Hi Daniel, thanks for getting back to me. I contacted Indesit, but their offer to fix was a tad more expensive, worked out to be about £150. It would have given me 12 MTHS warranty as well, but I can buy a new machine for £200, so we actually bought a hot point for about £290. So all sorted, thanks Ash.
Okay, nice one. The deal for £150 is a full 12-month warranty which they tried to sell to you. They do a fixed price repair for £110 and it has a 3-month warranty, so I assume they never told you that one. But if you live in London, then it could be a bit more, as they charge more in London. But a new washer for £290 is good, so I'm sure that will be good for many years to come. If you could remember to rate the answer, that would be great. Many thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.